During the election period of time in 2004, some I-Ching master I knew, they were invited on TV to forecast who will win the presidential election, Kerry or Bush. This motivated me to divide to obtain an oracle to see what revelation I might get from I-Ching. Normally, if this is a major decision, I fast and meditate before I divine. So one day before I divine, I practice fasting and meditate for one day. And that morning I got up early to meditate another hour before I threw 3 coins. This is the hexagram I got. I obtained hexagram 28. It's called 大过, great exceeding, changed to 闲 hexagram 31. Before you divide, you need to have a question in your mind. So what is the question you are going to ask? The question I have is, who would win the presidential election, Bush or Kerry? And then normally I wrote down the time I divide. So it was in the morning, 8:30, October 24th, 2004. That day, about 1 week before election. The hexagram I obtained is hexagram 28, great exceeding. It changed to the second night change from yang changed to yin. So it changed to hexagram 31, Shen conjunction. If we examine the energy of these nights, you'll find out the upper trigram has earth, mental, and water energy. The lower trigram has metal, water, and earth energy. They both have same energy. But the second night change, so from water energy, changed to fire energy. As we know in 5 elements, water subdues fire. Because of water subducing fire, so its energy got lessened. So I come up to my conclusion, because they had 3 equal energy. So the outcome would be very close, very close. There's no big gap. And first reason, because water changed to fire. So the lower triagram's energy got weakened. And also the upper triagram is called 对, and its 5 elements energy is metal. And the lower triagram is called 巽. Its 5 elements energy is called wood. Metal overcome wood. Therefore, I conclude that Bush would win the presidential election with a small gap. Here I have 2 questions for you. The first question is, why does the upper triagram represent Bush? Why the lower triagram represent Kerry? Second question I have is, Can you see how this oracle related to the performance of Bush administration in his second term? Although this is not the question I ask, but many times, an oracle often reveals more than one thing. An oracle often reveals enough information for us to see more detail in forecasting. This is the origin of I-Ching prognostication, I-Ching forecasting. So I give you these two questions. Why does the upper triagram represent Bush? And second, how this triagram related to Bush's administration's performance in the second term from 2004 to 2008. You can get on my website, so you'll get the answer.